Again, take a deep breath to your both nostril and deeply breathe out. Once more time, inhale and exhale. Complete relax your body, relax your mind. Now 3 times Omkar chanting. Inhale. Inhale again. Last time again. Feel the vibration of Omkar chanting in your every parts of the body. Now join your palms to your heart center, starting prayer. Om Chahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidhishavahe Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently rub your palms. Touch your eyes and your face, and you gently open your eyes. Move your body. Lahe lahe body move korok. Gom paiso, কথা পাত. লাহে লাহে বডি মুভ কৰক. লাহে লাহে মুভটো বঢ়াই আহি থাকিব, ওকে? লাহে লাহে বডিক মুভ. লাহে লাহে হাতখনো মুভ কৰিব, ওকে? লাহে লাহে মুভিঙৰ স্পীডটো বঢ়াব. মুভ ইউৰ বডি. লাহে লাহে নি আপোনাৰ লিফ্ট কৰিব. নি আপ কৰিব, কৰি থাকক. बहुत बेसी स्पीड नकरिब. ज़्यादा स्पीड नहीं करना है आप, ओके? आप लोग धीरे धीरे स्पीड बढ़ाओ, नी को लिफ्ट कीजिए, ओके? कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी, कम ऑन. अभी ज़्यादा स्पीड बढ़ाने की जरूरत नहीं है, धीरे धीरे स्पीड बढ़ाना है, ओके? कीप स्माइलिंग. कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी, कम ऑन. कम ऑन, कम ऑन, कम ऑन. धीरे धीरे और स्पीड बढ़ाओ. नी को पूरा लिफ्ट करना है. कोशिश कीजिए नी को चेस्ट में टच करने के लिए भी. मूव. कम ऑन, मोर स्पीड. मूव. स्पीड, कंप्लीट स्पीड. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 लाहे लाहे स्पीड कमाबो. 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Stop. So both nostril. Then forcefully exhale through your mouth. Again, breathe in. Continue. Deep inhale and exhale. Minimum 10 times. Relax. Interlock your finger. Stretch your arms. Palm ceiling face. Breathe in and you heel up. Elbow straight. Breathe out. Heel down. Down forward. Padahastvasana. Palms on the brakes. Now your right leg back. Right knee straight. Now breathe in, keep your both the hand straight. Further breathe in, spine erect, elbow straight, right knee straight. Now left elbow, right knee, twist your body, left side. Palms on the brakes, dog twist. Now left feet between your both the brakes, right knee straight. Breathe in, keep your hand. Further breathe in, spine erect. Palms on the brakes, dog twist. Now right feet between your both the brakes. Keep your hand. Breathe in, spine erect. Elbow straight. Now breathe out, twist your body, right side. Twist. Palms on the brakes, dog twist. Again, right feet between your both the palms. Keep your hand. Breathe in, straight your arms. Breathe out, palms on the brakes, both leg back. Dandasana. Now bend your elbow. Chaturanga Dandasana. Now breathe in and rolling up. Bhujangasana. Breathe out, rolling down. Paribatasana. Again, breathe in, rolling up. Upward Bhujangasana. Breathe out, rolling down. Paribatasana. Now your right leg up. Now right feet side on the right hand. Look straight. Come back to Dandasana. Chaturanga Dandasana. Bhujangasana. Paribatasana. Now your left leg up. Now left feet side on the left hand. Come back to Dandasana. Chaturanga Dandasana. Upward Bhujangasana. Paribatasana. Right feet side on the right hand again. Twist your body, right hand up. Palms on the brakes. Dandasana. Left feet side on the left hand. Twist your body right, left hand back. Palms on the brakes. Paribatasana. Right feet between your both the brakes. Left heel down. Right knee straight. Twist your body, triangle pose. Palms on the brakes. Dog twist. Astanga Namaskar. Bhujangasana, Parvatasana. Left feet between your both the breaks, right heel down, left knee straight and triangle pose. Extend the hand, palms on the breaks, dog stretch. Again, right feet between your both the palms, left heel down, come back to Virabhadrasana number 2. Now right elbow, right thighs, down right side. Now reverse Virabhadrasana 2. Palms on the breaks, Parvatasana. Left feet between your both the breaks, down, warrior posture 2, side bending Parsakonasana, reverse warrior pose, palms on the breaks, dog stretch, side pose, side bhujangasana, side pose, bhujangasana, side pose, bhujangasana, Parvatasana. Right feet right hand side. Come back to Parvatasana. Left foot left hand side, chest up, Hanuman Dand. Dog stretch, again right, dog stretch, left leg, dog stretch. Now both feet, both hand side, jump. Look upward and jump, go back. Dandasana, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, jump, both leg, both hand side, jump, dog stretch, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana. Now right foot right hand side, left foot left hand side, head up, last time jump, Dandasana. Right feet between your both the breaks, left feet between your both the breaks, Padahastasana. Inhale and back, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale and Namaste and Samastati.